નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello students, this is ninth part of 11th chapter area and its boundary of standard 5th mathematics. To start with this exercise, open page number 155 in your textbook first of all. Then you have to keep a thread as a pencil, everything with you. First of all, let's understand what to do in this activity. So let me read. Take a 15 centimeter long thread, make different shapes by joining its ends on this sheet. Now you can see, let me show it to you. In your textbook you can see there is a sheet, and which is in which there are many boxes are there of 1 square centimeter each. There are many boxes of having the side 1 centimeter. Now what you will do, you have to take a thread. Suppose this is the thread. Then what you will do, you will cut the thread. You have to take that thread of 15 centimeter long. See, it will be something this much big. Now what you will do, you have to put this thread. First of all, do one thing. Join this end with the help of glue. Join these two ends of thread with the help of glue. Then after, or if you don't join, it will not make any problem. Now what you will do, you will keep this thread on this one. Prepare any type of shape, any type of irregular shape with the help of the thread. Okay. Now you can see A. Which shape has the biggest area? How much? Now you have to draw three. Suppose you are drawing three shapes. Likewise, I draw. See, this is very much irregular. I don't know what it should be. This is just to make you understand only. Okay. So to make you understand, I draw three shapes, irregular shapes. Now let's answer this A question. Which shape has the biggest area? How much? What is the perimeter of this shape? So we have three shapes, isn't it? We have three shapes. And the B question is that which shape has the smallest area? How much? What is the perimeter of this shape? Now, for that, we have to find out the area of these three shapes. Then and then it is possible to say that which has biggest, which has the smallest area, isn't it? So let's find out the area of this one. Now let me make you remember that in third chapter we did this type of activity. You might be aware of that. See, it is on the page number, I think, 34. Yeah, the chapter third name is How Many Squares, in which we did this type of activity. See, this is third chapter and it is page number 39. We find the area of this shape. This is the footprint of a tiger, and we find the area of that footprint. Same thing we are going to do here. Okay, to find out the area of this A shape, what we should do? First of all, we should find out the squares, complete squares. How many complete squares are there? Remember that we have to find out the complete squares as well as the square more than half. Square more than half. And see, here that is why I write area of given shape is equal to number of complete squares and number of more than half squares. That is what we find out. And the else, 1/2 number of half squares. Number of squares, that is, and 1/2 number of half squares. Okay, why 1/2 number? Why? Because if it is half square, then we will join them 1/2 square, second half square. Then it will be complete square. So if there are two half square, then the square will be 1. So it is 1/2. 2 1/2. 1/2 of 2 is 1. That is why 1/2 number of half squares. Total half squares, and its 1/2 will be complete square. Okay, so first of all, let's find out. Let me tell you once again, I did this activity, I draw this shape with myself. The result might be different when you will go for this activity with 15 centimeter long thread. Okay, this is just to make you understand only. Okay, so let's count the complete square. Number of complete squares and number of more than half square. So let's go for area of shape A. So first of all, we have to find out this square. So this is 1. See, I am noting this. This is 1, 2. This is complete square. 3, 4, 5, 6. These are complete squares. Now we can see this is more than 1/2. So it is 7. This is also more than 1/2. 8. This is complete square. 9. Isn't it? So these are the squares. This is once again more than 1/2. So 10, and this is more than 1/2. 11. So total 11 squares which are complete squares or more than 1/2. So I should write 11 over here. Let me write with this 11. And 1/2 number of half square. So plus 1/2 number of half square. See, this is about half square. Okay, so this is 1, and no other cell. Say suppose this is like this, so this is 2. So 2 half squares. So 1/2 multiplied by 2, isn't it? So the result of this 1/2 multiplied by 2, it is 1. So is equal to 11 plus this 1 is 12. So area of shape A is 12. Now let's go for B. Let's find out for B. So let's go for complete squares or more than complete. That is, see, complete square 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7. These are complete squares. This is also complete square. Now more than 1/2, that is also square, we will take as a complete square. So this is more than 1/2. So this is 9, this is 10, this is 11, this is 12. These are more than 1/2. So total 12 squares are there which are more than 1/2. Now let's find out half squares. Suppose this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 square which are half square. So 1/2 multiplied by 4. 1/2 multiplied by 4 is 2. 2 plus 12 is 14. So here I should write 14. So area of shape B is 14. Now let's find out the area of C. Complete squares, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are complete squares. This is more than 1/2. So 7, 8. Okay. These are more than 1/2. Now let's find out 7, 8. Suppose this is also more than 1/2. That is why it is 9. Okay. Now half squares. So this is half. 1 and 2. 2 squares are there which are half. So we have to write number of complete squares and number of more than half square are 9. So here it will be 9 plus half square 2. So 1/2 multiplied by 2 will be 1. So 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. Isn't it? Now let's see the question A. Which cell has the biggest area? How much? From this one we can say shape B has the biggest area, and that is 14 square centimeter. This is 14 square centimeter. 14 square centimeter. So the shape B has the biggest area and of 14 square centimeter. Second one, what is the perimeter of this shape? Now, perimeter is what? Boundary. Boundary is what? 15 centimeter thread. So the perimeter of all this shape is 15 centimeter, isn't it? Why? Because we make this shape from 15 centimeter long thread. So the perimeter will be 15 centimeter. Okay. Now B question is there. Which shape has the smallest area? How much? And what is the perimeter of that shape? We can see area C has the smallest area. Why? Because it is 10 square centimeter. That is why shape C has the smallest area. It is 10 square centimeter. And what is the perimeter of shape C? Once again, it is 15 centimeter. Why? Because we prepare this shape, we made this shape from 15 centimeter long thread, isn't it? So this is. Now one more thing is there. Also make a triangle, a square, a rectangle and a circle. Find which shape has the biggest area and which shape has the shortest. So there is a triangle, a square, rectangle and a circle. So this is triangle, square, rectangle and a circle is there. Let's find out the area for them also. So if we think for the triangle, then these are two complete square. Then suppose these are two more than 1/2. This is also more than 1/2, and this is also more than 1/2. Now these both are, we will not take. Why? Because it is less than 1/2. So in a triangle, if we think about the triangle, so area of triangle, complete squares, those are 6. So this is 6 plus 1/2 multiplied by half square, it is 0. So result will be 0. So total 6 square centimeter. Now let's think about the area of the square. So area of square. The square has total 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Total 9 complete squares. That is why here I should write 9 plus 0 is equal to 9 square centimeter. Then let's think about this rectangle. Rectangle. See, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 complete squares are there. So here I should write 8 plus 0 is equal to 8 square centimeter. Now there is a circle in which we have to calculate. Now let's go for the complete square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are the complete square. Now let's go for the squares more than 1/2. So this is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And say these both are half. Say these two are half, 1 and 2. So total 12. The squares which are complete. 12 squares which are complete or more than 1/2, and 1/2 squares, those are 2. So 1/2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 1. So 1 plus 12 is equal to 13 square centimeter. So let's answer that. Find which shape has biggest area and which has smallest. See, 6, 9, 8, 30. So we can say circle has the biggest area and 6, that is triangle, has the smallest area. Now you also do this activity on this sheet, which is available on the page number 155. Go for this activity, do it with yourself, count these squares which are complete, which are more than one half, which are one half. Okay, if the squares which are less than one half, we will not count it. We will let them go. So we will count only those squares which are complete, which are more than complete, and we will consider that more than one half completed square in a complete square, and the one half squares, those are only we will count. So go for this exercise, do it with yourself. If you could not understand, watch this video once again, and we'll meet you in the next activity, in the next part. By this time we are closing this part. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.